Hello guys, welcome back to S Learning. Guys, in this video I will go show you the many of operations which we can perform on any PDF document like merging, splitting, PDF to Word, Word to PDF, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, compressing, editing and unlock, protect. Okay, so for in this video I will show you this operation: merge, split, compress PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint and PDF to Excel. And for other operation I will create one more video as it would get lengthy in one video only. And before starting I would suggest you to watch this video from our channel, like for example cam scanner Indian alternative. I will provide the link in description and I button, so you can check this alternative. It is very like a best Indian alternative for cam scanner, which is banned now. So, and another video, if you want to edit any PDF in your Android mobile, if you don't have any laptop PC and want to edit any PDF in Android mobile, like adding signature, image, cropping, so you can watch this video also. I will provide the link in description and I button. So let's move to our main topic now. First operation I will show merge PDF. Okay, so select your PDF from here. Okay, desktop. I'm taking the example of corona safety PDF. Okay, as this is merge, you have to add one or more than one PDF file. So I am adding this file only. I will show you the proof like how it gets merged. So for this let's open our PDF first. So currently it contains of 17 pages. As you can see there are 17, and if you merge this PDF on this only, so it will now show 34 pages. So let's see once it get downloaded. Till that time we will save time by performing our next operation, that is split PDF. So select here your PDF, that is corona safety PDF, and there are two options that you can split by range by specifying starting page number and ending page number here, and another option is extract pages. So what does it mean? So extracting means you have to just select pages which you want to create separate PDF file. Okay, so for example I am selecting first, third and fourth. Okay, so it will now create three PDF consisting of one page each. Like in first PDF it will generate the convert this image into PDF of first page. In second it will convert to PDF of third page only, single page, and in third fourth pages. So now click on split PDF. They both are getting downloaded. So we will perform third operation, compress PDF. Just save time and select your PDF. So right now it is having 4.98 MB size. So let's see how it get reduced PDF size. So it is now compressing. We will check if any PDF is getting downloaded or not. So it is downloading zip file, that is in context of split PDF, because it is generating more than one PDF file. Okay, so let's open and extract it. As I've selected first, third, fourth, so you can see it has created separate PDF for each page. Okay, so this is how you can split PDF. Now we will move to our merge PDF downloaded version. So this is merge, and you can see total number of pages at the top are 34, because we have merged this PDF into this only. So 17 plus 17, 34. So you can merge by selecting number of PDF from your PC for which you have to merge it. And yeah, it is also like compress the PDF by 70%. As you can see, 4.99 MB to 1.52 MB. So that's great. And now we will perform other operations. I have shown you three of them: merge, split and compress. So let's see our other operations now. First, in this PDF to Word, in this we will check PDF to Excel or PDF to PowerPoint, and in this we will check PDF to Excel. So generally PDF to Excel no one like rarely uses, like I don't think anyone use this PDF to Excel conversion, but if you want to see I will show you once. Okay, select a PDF file. Now this is to Word, so it will convert this to Word. Just click on this button. It is to convert PDF to PowerPoint. Select it, our main PDF file, and this is to Excel. Select it. It is just drag and drop or selecting your and just clicking on that button. so it will convert that all to respective format. So as you can see, all are getting converted. We will check once it get completed. Till then we will see another option of converting what to check PDF to JPG. Okay, so in this, select your PDF file. Step is same for all operations. Convert to JPG, so it will convert each PDF page into each JPG image. So as there are 17 PDF pages, so it will convert 17 images of that PDF and will store in zip file. So let's see what it completed. Okay, it is converting PDF to Word and it's in progress, so it's downloading. And let's move back to another operation, that is so you can perform this Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, just I have shown by performing the similar step. Okay, so it will convert the Word into PDF, PowerPoint PPT into PDF, and Excel to PDF, just we have seen here. So let's see this PPTX, or this is Word document of a PDF version. Okay, I will decrease the size somewhat. Okay, so this is PDF version. Now let's check second downloaded, that is zip file. Okay, that is JPG, PDF to JPG. So as I've told, it converted that each PDF pages into JPG format. We will check one only for proof. Okay, this is JPG of first page. So this is how you can convert PDF to JPG. Now our other options was Excel. Okay, so it will depend on your Excel file, as it contains very cartoon kind of thing, this PDF, so it is not getting reflected in Excel as required. But if you have plain document, just like any tutorial kind of thing, or some text, plain text in black color, so it will convert into Excel properly. Okay, this is how you can convert into Excel. Now another option was PPT. Yeah, this feature I like the most from this website. Okay, you will see there's a total number of pages were 17 and it converted each into one slide, each page into one slide. So there are total 17 pages, so you can easily convert PDF into Excel like this. So this is how this all operations work. I have shown you almost 5 to 6 operation in this, and for later these operations I will create another video, so stay tuned for it. Till then, happy learning. Subscribe to our channel AS Learning and tell me your thoughts in comment section, that how you found this video helpful. So thank you.